Are you looking for a ready-to-move-in project with a ready possession at Ghatkopar East? Then watch this video. We have an interesting video for you. Watch this till the end.
Welcome to DHC New Homes. It is one-stop solution for all new home buying and investment needs. We are RERA registered advisors. We specialize in serving HNIs, NRIs and new home buyers with our A1 developers top 3 project suggestions according to your requirements. Virtual site visits, give bottom rate, free interior designing consultation, free movers and packers and personalized service. Choose DHC for a seamless and professional experience. All of this with zero brokerage. Call us on given number or visit our website www.dhcnewhomes.com now.
Welcome back to DHC New Homes channel. This is your host Smita, and today we are at Akshay Trafalgar Ghatkopar East, a ready possession project with 2 and 3 BHK apartments starting from 2.57 CR onwards. To move forward about the project, but before that, subscribe to our channel for daily updates about the projects in Mumbai. Talking about the project, Akshay Trafalgar provides 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments, flats starting from 493 square feet to 1400 square feet, with 2 BHK at 493 square feet at 1.97 CR onwards, and 3 BHK for 805 square feet at 3.22 CR onwards. Providing a host of amenities like gymnasium, badminton court, squash court, snooker, table tennis court, 24 hours water supply, sewage treatment plant, park, kids play area and many more. It's a value for money. Connectivity to the Ghatkopar railway station and Western Express Highway is great, and providing split AC in all the rooms and modular kitchen with granite platforms, Vallet car parking, terrace gardens and many more. It's a one-stop destination. Project is spread over 0.6 acres, providing 22 units. For more details, call us on the given number and do subscribe to our channel DHC New Homes for new real estate updates about the projects in Mumbai. Thank you for watching DHC New Homes, one-stop destination for real estate.